a lot of our water's contaminants are already in our homes. So we want to make sure that we take care of our existing appliances, your water heater, where all that water is going in, heating up, and then being distributed out. That's an area of potential problems. We want to make sure that we take care of that your house has a healthy, clean water heater, so that when that water heater that's sitting in that tank is then distributed throughout your house, it's healthy and clean also. You're cooking, you're bathing, everything else is healthy and clean. A water heater flush, an annual maintenance, definitely want to get that done. So an annual maintenance on your home, which includes the water heater flush. The manufacturer recommends it anyways, but if you want healthy, clean water, that is your D or D- of healthy, clean water. Get an annual maintenance and make sure that you're taking care of your family's